Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to UK Pro Reviewer. Today, we're diving into the world of mechanical keyboards with a focus on the OnePlus Keyboard 81 Pro. Interestingly, this keyboard shares some similarities with the popular Keychron Q1 Pro, but with a OnePlus twist. Let's explore the features, design, and performance of this keyboard and see if it holds its own against its predecessor. The OnePlus Keyboard 81 Pro appears to draw inspiration from the Keychron Q1 Pro, a renowned mechanical keyboard. While the OnePlus keyboard may not surpass the Q1 Pro in every aspect, it offers its own set of unique features and improvements. One of the standout features of the OnePlus Keyboard 81 Pro is its added kickstand, allowing for adjustable typing angles. This feature sets it apart from the standard Q1 Pro, offering flexibility in finding the most comfortable typing position. The kickstand is robust and maintains its position securely, enhancing the typing experience. OnePlus has introduced a more traditional keycap shape compared to the Q1 Pro, opting for cylindrical keycaps over the Q1 Pro's spherical angle keycaps. The keycap material, referred to as marble mallow, has a matte roughness similar to PBT plastic. The tactile feel and grip of the keycaps are notable, though their long-term durability remains a question. The typing experience on the OnePlus Keyboard 81 Pro differs from the Q1 Pro due to custom-branded switches that match the keyboard's color scheme. The linear, summer breeze switches on the review unit offer a quieter typing experience compared to the Q1 Pro switches. The keyboard stabilizers are commendable, eliminating any rattling sounds during typing. The OnePlus Keyboard 81 Pro inherits several features from the Q1 Pro, such as being hot swappable, meaning you can change switches without soldering. The keyboard is remappable using the VIA software, recognized effortlessly by the OnePlus keyboard. It also features RGB lighting, though the keycaps aren't shine-through, resulting in less vibrant illumination. The keyboard's RGB lighting comes at a cost to battery life. With RGB turned off, the keyboard offers an impressive 300 hours of battery life. Enabling RGB, even at its lowest setting, reduces this to 100 hours. Using RGB sparingly while wired is recommended to conserve battery. To sum it up, the OnePlus Keyboard 81 Pro is a distinct offering that presents a quieter typing experience, adjustable kickstand, and unique keycap design when compared to the Keychron Q1 Pro. It's neither superior nor inferior to the Q1 Pro. Rather, it's an alternative version with its own set of strengths and characteristics. Whether the differences and enhancements justify the £20 to £40 premium over the Q1 Pro is a decision that rests with you. That concludes our exploration of the OnePlus Keyboard 81 Pro. If you found this video informative, please hit that like button and consider subscribing to UK Pro Reviewer for more insightful tech content. Until next time, keep exploring the ever-evolving world of tech.